Shenzhen Kingdori Import and Export Group Company Limited is a professional sanitary ware supplier in Shenzhen, China. Our associated factory is located in Chaozhou, very close to Shenzhen. Our main products include ceramic wash basin, ceramic toilet, bathroom vanity, LED mirror, faucet, shower and bathroom accessories. All these products are widely applied for bathroom construction of hotel, apartment, villa, etc. Most of our products have passed the ISO, CUPC, CE, watermark, SASO certificate as guarantee to make sure the quality. We have professional engineer support, high efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, and attract customers from all over the world. We have exported to over 50 countries. Our main market is North America, Europe, Australia, Asia, and Middle East. After 12 years development, we have achieved great progress. Our associated factory has equipped with the computer kiln production line, professional technical staff, and experienced QC team. Our research and development department can provide strong technical support and enable us to receive some OEM and ODM projects from our customers. We can produce at least 20,000 pieces per month and arrange loading directly from our factory to Shenzhen port by full container. Kingdori is reliable supplier of the sanitary ware with 5 years warranty for our products. We always pay great attention to customer service, including pre-sale and after-sale service. We are looking forward to get more cooperation with partners from all over the world.